and cry and cry. Silver saxophone, you say I lose you. Cracked bells and washed out horns blow into my face with scorn. It's not that way, I wasn't born to lose you. I want you, I want you, I want you so bad. Honey, I want you. A drunken politician leaps upon the streets where mothers weep. Saviors who are fast asleep, they wait for you. And I wait for them to interrupt me, drinking from my broken cup, and ask me to open up the gates for you. I want you, I want you, I want you so bad. But honey, I want you. All my fathers, they've gone down. True love, they've been found. But all their daughters put me down, 'cause I don't think about it. When I return to the Queen of Spades, talk with my chambermaid, she knows that I'm not afraid to look at her, and she's good to me. There's nothing she doesn't see. She knows where I like to be, but it doesn't matter. I want you, I want you, I want you so bad. I want you. I want you, I want you so bad. Well, honey, I want you. Now your dancing child was trying to suit. He spoke to me, I took his flute. It wasn't very cute to him, or was I? I did it because he lied, because he took you for a ride, because time is on his side.